Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. I just picked this up in the charity shop. 27 megahertz. It just says made in China on it. I don't see a manufacturer's name on it. I was looking at it and I was thinking this is probably meant to go in water. You know, an amphibious one. And I've just released the battery compartment and it's got a nice rubber seal around it. And then the bad news is it's a 4-pack NiCad battery. £500 milliamp hour, 4.8 volts, and it's got to fit in a little box there. So we don't have a charger for that. There's a little bit of crystallization or corrosion around the connector there anyway. I'll see what I've got. I mean, I expect a JST connector will fit straight over those pins, so we can see if it actually works. Use a 4.8 or a 1S LiPo might actually be enough to run it. So we'll try that first. And that part of it looks okay. There was a big lump of hair in there that I've just cleared out. On-off button at the back there, which is also waterproof. So we'll try a 1S LiPo battery on it first and see what we can do. And then I might have to try and rig up some sort of charger that we can use on this. £1 it cost me. Well, that's a positive start. I've just put one of my little LiPos on there, which actually would fit in there. Lights have come on. So it works, and it works with this controller. Well, of course it does happen to be reversed. So forwards is going to be back and left. Yeah. Backwards is going to be right and forwards. Yeah, so that's a bit complicated to remember. But hey, for £1, I've got a working car and it does look like it's supposed to be waterproof. Just a thought. I wonder if it could do anything in the snow. Right, let's see what we can do on the snow. Not a lot. Obviously the snow's a bit too soft for it. it works in water. I just want to see what happens if it's upside down. Oh yes. I'll do that again in case the camera doesn't catch it. Well, summary time. For £1, I think I've got my money's worth. It works. The NiCad battery is a pain because that means I'll have to sort out some sort of charger for it, if it's any good. But it clearly works alright off a single 1S LiPo battery. So that's okay. It works in water. It works with the controller I've got, although everything is reversed. Backwards is forwards and left is right. So yeah, £1, charity shop, gold or garbage. I'll call that one gold.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.